Oh my god, it's so beautiful.
The word of God in our heart. The Spirit of the Lord in my heart. When we speak in tongues, even at night and company.
Hi loves, hi besties, welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are seeing this fine face, this fine girl, this fine babe, thank you very much for stopping by. If you're a returning subscriber, hello, thank you very much for coming back. My name is Promoted Sandra. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing everything I got from AliExpress. I'm also going to be giving the latest update on how to make payments on AliExpress in case you are in Nigeria. So I ordered for a lot of things on AliExpress, so I'm just going to be showing you guys what I got. They are very cheap, very affordable. So if you are interested in any one, I'm going to be leaving all the links to this product at the description section and also at the comment section. You can get them. If you end up enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and turn on post notification. Leave your comment at the comment section. This really encourage me a lot, as I earlier said on my video that my goal for this year on this channel is 50k subscribers. So if you're watching me, if not subscribed, please do well to subscribe, because this is not going to take anything away from you. Join the family. So let me show you what I got on AliExpress. Very cheap, very nice, very good with something good. Off key. So the first one, I'm just going to go ahead. Okay, I've already opened some because I've started using some of the things that I got. So what I have here is, this is a face mask, and I think this is 100 pieces. I needed this. I'll be seeing a lot of people using this on TikTok and also YouTube here. I have not tried it. I wanted to use it. That's why I went to order for it. I'm going to be using it when I do my skincare routine video. So stay tuned and see how to use this. And it also came with something like, I think this is for air. For the air. While this one is for the, I don't know how to, I don't know if you guys can see because this light is too much. This is the first one, which is the paper face mask. Okay. So the next one is, I'm just going to go ahead and open it. Oh my god, I actually ordered for a cup. Okay, let me see if this is what is here. This is a glass cup. Look at the way it was wrapped. I love the packaging of this brand. I know a lot of you must have seen this cup currently trending online. Okay, oh my god, it's so beautiful. I want to be using this for smoothing, stuff like that. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's so cute. I love the way it is. This is exactly what I ordered for. This cost about 3,500 or 4,000 naira. I'm going to be leaving their prices on the screen and as well the links to this product, so you can order for it if you want to order for it. But one thing with this product is that they did ship it directly to my house, because the moment it arrived, they called me from the post office and they said I should come with 200 naira to pick it. There are some products that will come, they will charge you 300, 250, at least the highest over there is 500 naira, depending on what you ordered for. I ordered for one because I really wanted to see how it will look like, to see if it's going to break, if it's going to be destroyed, because I didn't want to spend money buy 2 or 3 at the end of the day. It's trash. I actually needed this more in the house right now. This is so nice. I recommend this brand. So the next one is I went ahead to order for a separate straw for the glass cup. Okay, for this glass cup you need a straw if you want to use it. As you can see, this is the space for the straw. So I went ahead to order for a straw. I think, okay, this is the way they packaged it. I'm just going to go ahead and drag it out from this place. I think so. Okay, this is it. So they went ahead to form something like a balloon. I believe this is to avoid breakage as well, and because this thing is glass, this is 3-in-1. This is the straight straw, this is the curve or slant straw, and this is the sponge for the straw to wash the straw. So I'm just going to go ahead to remove it from this so you guys see how it looks like. This is how it looks like. So when I'm done making smoothing, I'm going to be using it. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and see how I'm going to be vibing this. So this is it. This is so, and this is the glass cup. I like it. Yeah, I like it. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this 3 in one place. I'm so really satisfied. I'm going to be giving them 10/10 ASAP. This is a blender, a rechargeable blender for smoothing. Okay, not for heavy duty, just for a light duty. So I went ahead to order for it because sometimes I do have light issues over here. I love blending fruits together. Okay, so that is the reason why I just went ahead to order for this. And this is it. It came with a charger to charge it because it's a chargeable blender. Okay, this is a space to blend, to charge it in case it's low. So if you plug it, it's going to show light over here, and this is how it looks like. I'm just going to go ahead and open it. So when I'm using this, I'm going to make a video of it and show you guys. This is so cute. I love this. So for this, I also went ahead to, I've ordered for this before, right? Something like that. I went ahead to reorder again. This is a deep moisturizing food pack. It's for food. I'm going to be doing my nails routine. I'm going to be showing you guys how I keep my nails clean, neat, how I moisturize my nails, my feet. This is the foot soap. Okay, if you use this on your feet, let me just, and they have different types. In case maybe I drop the link and you're seeing different colors, different types, just know that it's different colors, different type, and it's still the same thing. So now this is, oh, this is bent already. Why? This is artificial nails. Okay, so I'm going to be fixing it with me that love white. I think this is for two, so I just wanted to order it just to see how it looks like. This is how it is. Okay, nothing else. This is another set of nails that I ordered for, but the one I ordered for was a short one because they have different sizes. I ordered for the short one and they went ahead to bring the long one, and the reason why I ordered for this nails is because of the pack. The pack is so packing. Okay, once you are done using the nails, you can go ahead to store your jewelry on it. You can put your necklace or your jewelry, just arrange it and keep it, stuff like that. Wow, this is a headband. I ordered for it. Do I ordered for, was it, is this my size? This seems look so big. Okay, I actually ordered for this in case for front tie. If you are facing front tie, just go ahead and use to band your headband like this. I saw it and I liked it and I ordered for it. Why I like it is because it's different from the ones I've been seeing here in Benin City, because this one has like something to gum it together once you're done wearing it. The one I saw in the market is the one that you just tie with your hand and all that. So this one has like a gum to gum it together. Okay, this is olive oil or most or what, I don't know what you guys call it. So I want to use it on my wigs. I want to wash all my wigs, treat them. I'm just going to be fast with this. So what I have here is, okay, a necklace. I thought they are going to bring the necklace holder. When I saw the necklace holder, I was like, oh, it's coming with this. Maybe I didn't read it well. So they actually sent the necklace and they not bring the holder. Why I love this necklace was because of this. I'm going to be putting this on and you see. So I like the necklace though. The gold color that I ordered for, I didn't know it was a shiny gold that I ordered for because there are a lot of golds. So if you are ordering for anything, just make sure you look well before you order, most especially when it comes to color. Due to my tight schedule, sometimes I will just do sharp like. I'm going to be wearing this and I will show you. This is so beautiful. So this one is nails. So I ordered for 2-pack. This particular one, I like it so much. I like neutral colors that are not too sharp. So I also ordered for this. They have like up to 20 nails on 1 pack, so you can fit maybe 5 on your finger now. Then the remaining one you fit it later. You can buy things from AliExpress. They are cheap, and one of my favorite professional hair straightener, which is called electric comb. So I'll be looking for this. I'll be seeing it online, trending everywhere. It's so hot. See, I've already gone ahead to open it because I tested it to see if it's working or not, so I can send it back to them if it's not working. Yeah, so it's so hot. This comb is so hot. I got it for like 4,000 to 5,000. Very cheap. It has a cover to cover it, or maybe once you're done using it, you can just go ahead and cover it up. And it's so long. This is the plug, okay, the type of plug it has. So it's very cheap compared to market price. When you go to the market, you're going to be hearing stuff like 11k, 12k, 18k. I priced it before, so I just went ahead to order it on AliExpress. And this one as well, I've already gone ahead to also open it Can you imagine that I ordered for this thing and I later forgot what I ordered it for, what is meant for? This is for hair as well. As I said, I'm going to be washing my wig and all that, so I also bought this for washing. Okay, this is another set of nails. I ordered for this because of the container as well, because I want to be buying more nails. Actually, answered the container. I went to Ring Road to look for it. I couldn't get it. They said they don't have it. They don't have something like this. And as you know, for most of these makeup artists, the one you will normally get in the market is this long one that you cut yourself, you trim yourself and all that. But this one, this is already made. You don't need to trim it, you don't need to cut it. All you just need to do is just fix it. I think this is almost 100 pieces, 10 each, thereabouts. So I'm going to be fixing it on my nails, and I'm going to be showing you guys all the process as well. This is a hair stick for center part or closure, center part or closure thereabouts. So to it has a white abimic color. So the last one is this cover head for my wig. This is the best cover head that I've bought. I also went ahead to buy this pin alongside with it to pin your wig close to it. You can also use this to fix wig for anything. So I also went ahead to order for tripod. I have a lot of tripod stands right now, though they are all not available. They are for specific and different uses. So this is a tripod. I bought this in the market. I know that this online. I bought this in the market for the cover. So you can also go ahead to order cover with a tripod if you want to. The one I saw with cover was kind of short, so I was like, I need something that is going to be tall. I don't need short. I don't know how many inches it was, so I felt like it wasn't really long compared to what I wanted. So I went to the market to purchase this. So this is the tripod that I bought. It's so long. It's for hair alone. You can also go ahead and order for this on AliExpress. All these things I didn't make payment once, so you have to start making payments every month because there are limits. $20, a big $10 limit. If you have dollar card, you can go ahead to buy with a dollar card. And there's another way to also buy right now, because Nigeria, I think CBN or whatever, president or the governors, whatever, make a restriction for Nigerians who order things online. So I said I'm going to be talking about that from the beginning. So if you want to buy anything on AliExpress right now, if you're based here in Nigeria, you are restricted. You can't buy anything with your master debit card anymore. So right now we can't buy anything with our MasterCard or whatever card. So what you just need to do is to have a dollar account. If you don't have, I'm going to be showing you guys, or I will show you a link, because I saw someone uploaded it a few days ago. I also watched that, and I'm planning to also register. Once I register, I will show you guys how to open it. First of all, I want to try it to see if it's going to work, but depends on it work for her. So it's just an app that you can create. You create it like normal app, and that app, they will give you your dollar card on the app. You are going to be seeing your dollar card on the app. You can credit your dollar card, and from there you use that number on that dollar card on the app and place it on AliExpress, and it just works for you. You don't need to hold your dollar this thing. I'm going to be creating it anyway. To make a long story short, is now another way that people now buy things online, both on Amazon or anywhere. So Nigeria president cannot frustrate us. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If there is any question you want to ask, there's anything you want to confirm, you can confirm at the comment section. Just leave your comments at the comment section, and I'm going to be answering you. Okay, I'm going to be responding to you. Please join this small community by subscribing, turn up post notification if you want me to keep doing more videos like this. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I didn't waste your time. See you guys on my next video. Bye.